And for our next question, how old is Earth?
100 million years old.
No, it's actually 4.5 billion years old.
How do we know that?
Next question, true or false? The Earth was once a giant snowball.
False. It's too hot to have snow on the equator.
The answer is true. The Earth actually used to be a great big snowball.
Wait, how could you possibly know that?
We know about the history of our planet thanks to scientists like Professor Bergmann.
I'm Kristin Bergmann. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Earth, Atmospheric, and Planetary Sciences at MIT. I think about the history of our planet.
She doesn't just think about it. She grabs her hiking boots and rock hammer and travels the world to uncover the history of our planet.
My work has brought me to Oman in the Middle East. It has brought me to Svalbard, which is north of the Arctic Circle. Oman and Svalbard couldn't be more different.
Different places, but the same goal, to learn as much as possible about the Earth. But why? To show off on a game show?
One of the most powerful tools that we have to predict and prepare for the future and future changes in weather and future changes in climate is the past. By looking at the past, we can actually better understand how the Earth works and how changes in the Earth system could better help us predict the future.
Oh, I get it. We study rocks and fossils to better understand our planet. Hold on, I feel a challenge coming on.
Nord Anglia students, here's your challenge. I challenge you to look back in time, to think about a weather event that's important to you or important to someone in your family. And when you think about that weather event, explore all the aspects of it.
Where and when? Windy, rainy, or dry? Hot or cold? How did my town look before, during, and after this major weather event?
I want you to be really creative with how you think about this weather event. Think about the possibility of making a podcast where you interview a family member. Think about the possibility of creating an artistic expression of that weather event. By exploring these past events, what I hope that you can get out of it is an understanding of the many ways that weather occurs and impacts our lives and how those impacts can help us prepare for similar weather events like these in the future.
Now for the bonus question. What's one of the best tools that scientists use to predict the future of climate change on Earth?
Come on, you got this.